It's recording.
It's recording?
Yeah.
Hi.
Don't look over here.
What are we doing today?
We're
Putting my shirt on inside out.
okay. Well, we're driving a remote control car. And it goes like really fast, so yeah. Well, we're gonna make it do like tricks and stuff. My friend over there is turning his shirt around because it says the name of our town on it. Yeah. Then he's right here, and we can't show his face, so
Mystery man.
we're just yeah. He's friend.
I'm friend, but I'm also going to be driving the car.
The car that's right there.
Okay?
Alright,
Zoom in on it, Jesse.
Oh,
that's real nice, isn't it, boys?
Yeah.
59 horsepower.
Okay, Jesse.
Alright, so what jumps are we gonna do? Like that?
okay, we're gonna do this.
We're gonna go. We're gonna do a backwards, and then we're gonna do a forwards. Ready?
Alright, Xbox man, do the countdown.
5,
Oh wait, I'm not ready yet. Okay, go.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Wasn't that beautiful?
Yep.
Okay, now we're gonna do the forwards jump. Ready? Let's do this. Now, friend, other friend,
Yes.
Friend number 2.
friend number 2. Don't show me because I'm gonna be over here.
I know. Our moms don't want us to place us on Facebook.
Let's go. Oh my God, what's wrong with this thingy?
Whoa, okay.
Try and catch it.
Alright, Xbox man 55 is gonna try and catch it. Here we go.
Okay, now we're gonna do a little bit of donuts.
Oh, wait, let's get the dirt on the camera.
Freestyle.
We like that. Ow! Oh, God.
I am sorry, friend 2. Oh.
It just ran over my foot. Ooh, it just stepped. That must have hurt.
Okay, now we're not gonna show my face. Interview Xbox man for a second.
Alright, interviewing Xbox man 55. Xbox man.
Yeah, well, we just.
Do you have a girlfriend?
No. I don't. Why?
This is for all the ladies out there. Right?
No, it's not.
Okay.
This is for people that like cars and stuff.
Seeing people get dirty and hurt that just ran over my foot.
Yeah, and almost hit me.
Friend number 1.
We're back.
Alright, we're back on. There we go. It's in the tough terrain. Alright, just went in the bush where we can't see it. Where's the zoom, friend number 1?
It's right here. Friend number 2. This is him.
Oh, okay. I found zoom. Where is it?
Friend number 1 and 2, are you ready?
Ready?
It's stuck. Friend number 2, do not show me.
Sorry, I just showed your pants.
That's okay.
Don't pull them down or anything.
Okay, put it on the ground and remove all leaves.
Xbox
Put it
man.
down.
Xbox man 55 is now cleaning your vehicle.
Okay, ready for launching system.
Ready? Countdown, Xbox man.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ignition.
I got stuck on weed.
Oh, it landed.
And it's going.
On friend number 1, I cannot see it.
Zoom in.
No, I know. Okay, found it.
Weed. Friend number 1.
Friend number 2 is very funny.
Friend number 1 and 2 are. This is our first video.
Yeah, this is my first video on YouTube.
Friend number 2, 1 and 2 is both actually.
Yeah, this is my first, technically. Ow!
Oh! It just hit my shins right there. It just.
Try to get me.
I'll get you.
No, I didn't mean it seriously.
Xbox man is committing. Holy. Okay. Friend number 1, I sort of kept. Oh! He captured the beast.
Okay, Jesse,
Oh,
stop.
God.
Friend number 1, stop recording.
Is this
Other
it?
button. No,
Right
no,